Matter can undergo changes in two fundamental ways: physical changes and chemical changes. A physical change alters the form or state of a substance without changing its chemical composition. These changes are often reversible through simple physical means. So for example, melting of wax. When solid wax is heated, it melts into liquid wax, but the chemical structure remains the same. It is still wax. Or condensing steam. Water vapor cools into liquid water, but it is still water. It is still H2O. Or grinding a solid into a powder. The shape and size change, but the substance remains unchanged at the molecular level. If we were to write chemical equations describing physical changes, they'd look pretty unremarkable. The little subscripts that describe the state or phase might change. A chemical change occurs when a substance transforms into a completely different substance with new chemical properties. These changes usually cannot be reversed by simple physical means. So the rusting of iron. Iron reacts with oxygen to form iron 3 oxide, often called rust, which is a new substance with completely different properties from either iron or oxygen. Another example would be the combustion or burning of propane. The propane reacts with oxygen, producing carbon dioxide and water. Or exploding nitroglycerin. This reaction produces gases that are entirely different from the original material. Nitroglycerin can just rapidly decompose upon ignition or even a sudden impact and turn into completely different chemical substances. In a nutshell, physical changes affect how matter looks, but they don't change the chemical identity. And chemical changes create new substances with different chemical identities. Let's check comprehension. Classify each of the following as a chemical or physical change. If you've ever spilled something on yourself in a lab, click that like button. No judgment here. Thanks for watching Chemistry in a Nutshell.